Good morning, students. In last class, we studied about the population growth and the factors affecting population growth. In this topic, in this class, new topic is trends of population growth. Trends of population growth. Also, here we call development of population. Development of population. Here we study about the trends of population growth. The trends of world population is found changing or increasing, is found changing and increasing. Here the total world population increase day by day and change the size of the population day by day. Clear here? Okay, or in this topic we study about the origin of the human to till modern time. Here the origin of the human on the earth, then to till modern time. Here the now the time at present. Here the what the condition of the population. In this total period, population trends found the increasing. Population growth, population trends found the increasing. Clear? The origin of the human on the earth surface. Origin of the human on the earth surface is considered 10 lakhs years ago. 10 lakhs years ago. So from the present time to 10 lakhs years ago, the origin of the human on the earth surface. Clear? All these trends of the population can be divided in the four time periods. Prehistoric period, ancient period, medieval period, and the modern period. Prehistoric period, ancient period, medieval period, modern period. This division are for the study of the trends of the population. We can divide the time for the study trends of population. First, here the prehistoric time period. In prehistoric period, here the lack of facilities and lack of condition for the survival. Of the human. After the origin of the human on the earth surface, here the technology and no here the possibilities to survival, and the human start here the food gathering and the hunting for the survival. यानी अपनी जो कैपेसिटी नेसेसिटी उसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए क्या कर रहे हो, फूड गैदरिंग एंड द हंटिंग. एंड दिस टाइम and the prehistoric time, only the population of the world 53 lakhs. The population of the world only 53 lakhs. And the ancient time, number 2, ancient time. Here the population increasing, population trends also increasing here. The agriculture, because here the human start to complete their necessity by agriculture and the cattle rearing. Many river valley civilization develop in ancient time, like here the Mesopotamia civilization in the Iraq and Iran, Nile River Valley civilization in the Misr, Egypt. Okay, and here Indus River Valley civilization in India and Pakistan, and Hangu River Valley civilization in China. So many type of the civilization, many kind of the civilization develop in ancient period, and the population of the world also increase in this time. The total population of the world in ancient time here 20 to 30 crore. So here the food necessity of the human complete by agriculture, and here cattle rearing. In prehistoric period, only human depend on food gathering and the hunting. Then they think about this. Then all these animals are hunted. Then in future what they can do? Then they start the cattle rearing and animal rearing. Clear? Next, here medieval period from 700 to 1650 AD. This time period is medieval period. The population of the world in 1650 AD 55 crore. Here the human necessity complete the human necessity. Agriculture spread here, and many type of agriculture also done in this time, but the population growth rate is very slow in medieval time. The population growth rate is very slow. The main reason for this here, the death rate is high. The death rate is high. What was the reason for the death rate is high in this period? And the flood, famine, wars. Flood, drought, famine, and the wars. In famine, drought, here the many people are got to dead, and here in wars में पता है many soldiers are there in the war. So here the population of the world also not increase मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि बड़ी नहीं, population का increase तो population में जो 30 करोड़ थी 55 करोड़ हुई, बट यहाँ पे जो मॉडर्न मिडाइवल पीरियड है, इस मिडाइवल पीरियड में पॉपुलेशन का ग्रोथ रेट होना चाहिए ना, उतना नहीं हो रहा है. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? क्योंकि बिकॉज हियर द फ्लड, फेमाइन एंड द वार्स आर द अनसुटेबल या अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन टू इंक्रीज द पॉपुलेशन. सो हियर द नो population slowly increase in the medieval period. The total population of the world in 1960 in 1650 55 crore, and last year the modern period 17th century till the present time, 17th century to the present time. Here the total population of the world increasing day by day. Here in 1650 population 55 crore, and 1750 population 72 crore, 1850 population 133 crore, in 1950 population 251 crore, in 2000 population 610 crore, and in 2013 population 714 crore. So total here the trends of the population are shows increasing. Clear? Here the trends of the population are so increasing. Here in 1650 population 55 crore, 1750 population 72 crore, 1850 population 133 crore, in 1950 population 251 crore, in 2000 population 610 crore, and 2013 population 714 up here 714 crore. In modern period population growth rate is very high, because here the development of the technology and the complete development of technology and provide the medical facility for the human. Death rate are decrease and the birth rate are increasing here. So here the population increasing with high birth rate. In modern time here and now at present population in 2013 714 crore, and now in 2020 the population crossed the digit 800 crore. In this topic we study about the trends of the population increasing. That increasing trends of the population, we can say increasing trends of the population, या development of the population growth. Development of the population from the origin of the human. Here the population is 10 lakhs in the prehistoric period, 53 lakhs, and ancient period 30 lakhs, and the medieval period the population is 55 crore, and the now time the population 714 crore in 2013. At present here the population crossed the digit 800 crore digit. Clear?